Hi, I'm Kathleen Reese and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk with you a little bit about how I create drama in my impressionistic floral paintings. Like you see here, I'm going to be demoing this painting. I will list the paint colors and the mediums that I use in the box below this video. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you my inspiration and then I will get started on this demo. I start by coating my canvas with this deep brown color. Starting with a value this dark ensures that there's going to be a lot of beautiful drama in my painting. So next I'm using my Catalyst silicone wedge and I'm mapping out the placement of my blossoms on my canvas. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I'm all about layering. So now I'm going in and I'm going to start adding some greenery, and I'm working my way all around the canvas, not staying in one area for too long. Adding drama to a painting is all about contrast. So as you can see, I've got that really gorgeous deep brown color on the one side of the canvas, and I left the other side of the canvas a little bit lighter of a value. But now I'm going in with my brush and a little bit of glazing liquid, and I'm putting some deeper values back into the left side and now going into the right side and balancing things out. Adding transparent glazes of paint in this manner will give my painting a very atmospheric, misty effect. In the way that I paint, I spend most of my time on the underlayers, meaning the background, the greenery, and establishing a composition. And now you can really see the deep, rich contrast that I'm starting to establish in this painting. As summer fades into fall, I find a lot of inspiration this time of year in how the light changes as well. Flowers just seem to glow in the shadows of my garden. So in my painting, I'm trying to capture that feeling of the sunlit petals emerging from the shadows of my garden. At this point in my painting, I'm pretty much done. All I have to do now is just go in with some colorful blooms. I decided on shades of purple because I thought that it would be beautiful against the rich greens in my painting. And also I was very much inspired by the purple petunias that are still growing in my yard. Switching back to this camera angle, you can see how deep and rich some of those purples are. When it comes to creating drama, it's about contrast. So it's about contrasting values, having very deep dark colors in my painting, and also very light colors in my painting. It's also about contrast in color. So as you can see, I have this beautiful, rich, deep purple color, and then these brighter purple areas and this lush green. It's also about knowing when to use muted colors. So that's why I started by choosing that very muted, deep, neutral brown color. This helps to make my more saturated colors really pop off the canvas and give a feeling of life and joyful energy. So here's the finished painting. I ran a little short on daylight yesterday, as the days are really getting shorter and shorter very quickly now. So I came back into the studio this morning and just finished up this painting, added a few more touches to it. And I'm going to come in a little closer so you can see. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment. Also hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you find value in the content that I offer here on YouTube for free, please consider taking one of my online art courses. It'll support the work that I do here and also in my studio as an artist. You can find the link to my website in the content box below. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.